शरणागत पाप पर्वतं गणयित्वा नदीय सद्गुणम् अनुमप्यतुलं हि मन्यते सहजानंद गुरुं भजे सदा. Oh dear devotees, we all have came on this earth to please the God. As long as you stay on this earth, till then we all have to do some kind of work. Then only the people will care for us. Today if we see in the ordinary life, then also the party which does the work, to them only we give our vote. Whether if it is BJP or it is Congress, if it is doing the welfare for the society, then only the people will give their vote. In Gujarati we say paksh. We give our paksh, we give our vote to them only if they will do work. Today we all have to give our vote to them who have sacrificed too much for the welfare of our society. Lord Swaminarayan has done too much sacrifice. At last he kept the Kalyan. He gave the salvation to all the people whoever came in the contact of his. There is no comparison with him for the welfare of society. Today I would like to say one katha, one charitra of Bhagwan Shri Swaminarayan, that when he visited Junagadh, at that time with him he had some, in Gujarati we say Sharbandi Darbar, Kathi Darbars. He had some darbars with him, accompanied with him, and when they came at the gate of Junagadh, at that time the watchmen were frightened too much. They were frightened not of Lord Swaminarayan, but they were frightened from the darbars which Lord Swaminarayan was accompanied. The watchmen, they went to Nawab and said that Swaminarayan has came, but the problem is with him the darbars are there, and if these darbars will enter in the state, then they will create a storm. They will snatch the kingdom from your hands. Nawab said that in any situation, whatever happens, bring Lord Swaminarayan inside the state. Because if he would come inside the state, the land of our state will become holy. કે જો ભગવાનના ચરણ આપણા રાજ્યમાં આવશે તો આ ધરતી પવિત્ર થશે. Nawab said that now I am sitting for lunch, but after lunch you bring them inside. After lunch, Nawab kept a chair on the terrace of his palace, and Lord Swaminarayan was sitting on the elephant. He came inside the state. When he came inside, too many people many people were crowded where he was there. કે જ્યારે ભગવાન અંદર આવ્યા ત્યારે ભગવાનનો વરઘોડો નીકળ્યો. He was seated on the elephant and he was dressed in the golden color. After some time, one lover devotee came and gave 2 cucumbers to the god. God started eating there, but the seeds of that cucumbers were falling on his golden clothes. Seeing this scene, the Nawab's official said to Nawab that this is your God. He doesn't have the manner where to eat. How is this your God? I can't understand. Then Nawab said that how is God? Nawab asked to his official that how is God? Then he replied that God doesn't have the worries. He doesn't worry for anyone. So after that, Nawab said to him, can you find anyone who is like him, who doesn't have any kind of shame, who doesn't have any kind of worry? Nawab's official said that, in Hindi he said that खुदा तो बेपरवाह है, उसको किसी की फिक्र नहीं है. Like that he said. After Nawab said to him that can you find anyone? At that time Nawab's official he understood that he is the God. Dear devotees, we all are so much lucky that the God of Baal, means Sadguru Varya Sri Mahatitanand Swami, who explained us the supremacy of the God. So at lastly, I would like to pray in the feet of God that please make us happy with the divine, with the devotion which we do towards you, and please keep our vote, please every time keep our vote in your favor, so that lastly that when Nawab explained to him, to his official, that he is God, and after that upcoming kathas are saying that when Nawab died, at that time Lord Swaminarayan went there to take his soul and to keep it in Akshardham. When Nawab was going to die, before some time he drank too much of wine. So Lord Swaminarayan kept hanky on their face and then they went to take him. So I would like to pray that please keep every time our vote in your favor, so that lastly we would also come with you in your Akshardham. आप सबने मारा जय स्वामीनारायण.